How to choose good wheel spacer for Honda Type-R.
The Honda Civic Type-R is one of the most iconic hot hatches in the automotive world. Renowned for its aggressive styling, track-ready performance, and precision handling. However, if you are looking to further enhance its stance, stability, and cornering grip, upgrading with good wheel spacer is a game changer. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of installing BONOSS wheel spacer on your Civic Type-R. Why upgrade your Civic Type-R with wheel spacers? Many Honda Civic Type-R upgrade to aftermarket wheels, which can result in offset issue. By installing high-quality wheel spacers, you can achieve wider track width, achieves a sportier and more dynamic look by pushing the wheels out to align with the fender, improves stability and reduce body roll for enhanced cornering performance, better brake clearance. Some aftermarket brake kits require extra clearance, which spacers provide effortlessly. Improved handling. A wider stance results in better weight distribution and improved steering response. When selecting good wheel spacer, it's critical to choose a brand that prioritizes safety, durability, and precision engineering. This is why we recommended BONOSS wheel spacer for your Honda Civic Type-R.
The industry recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy 606126 and 707526. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof flow data.
If you are looking to transfer your Honda Civic Type-R's performance and appearance, BONOSS wheel spacer are an investment you won't regret.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Honda Type-R wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.